I'm going to show you how to replace the battery.
A keyless remote for a Toyota Camry. But first of all, I want to show you what happens when the battery's getting low. So I'm pushing the button, nothing's happening. If I push real hard, or if I just push it enough times, it will eventually work. But I also got a warning on my car that the battery was low. So, and I didn't think about this. If this battery dies, there's no way to start that car. So it's pretty important. Let me show you how to change it. So the battery you're going to need is the CR1632. I'm going to pop this out of the foil here. And then grabbing the key, what you do is push this button here to take this little key part out. And you insert it right in that little opening there and twist it. Whoops. There you go, and it pulls these two pieces apart. Now, this one here that's got all the buttons on it, if you turn it over and kind of get an edge lifted up, that's where the battery is right there. It's got a little spring, so it kind of holds it in place there. If you can get a fingernail on the far side of it there. There we go. Even the edge of the key might do it. And then grabbing the new battery, you'll slide it, push it against the spring and into place like that. And then set this back into place. It only fits in one direction. So if you try and put it the wrong way, it won't quite slide in. So there's only one way to do it. And then line the buttons up. Again, that'll line up on the bottom. And make sure it's pushed back together all the way around. Slide the key back in place, and you're good to go.